parts function as a whole in this amazing thing we call a brain. So how do we get to the primary kids? How do we start talking about brains with the little ones? Maybe a bean brain project, or maybe you could even do the human brain with different colors of Play-Doh and labels like this. Or there's another option for all students. This is one of my favorites. How about using a metaphor like your brain is Home Depot? Because like Home Depot, your brain has different rows and aisles and different shelves of information. Let me prove it to you right now, right here on Schoolhouse 7. I'm going to give you 2 words, Western New York. Think about or say what comes to your mind as soon as you see these 2 words. Here we go. Sinking ship. All right, did you say or think Titanic? That's because we took you down your history row. All right, next one. Happy meal. All right, did you think about or say McDonald's and the Golden Arches? That's because we went down your restaurant row. And the last one, ice hockey. All right, one of my favorites. Did you say Jack